this video tutorial, I just want to explain more about multi-line. If you click on multi-line, or the shortcut will be ML, enter. It is asking for specify statement. It is also line property. I just want to specify 1 point. But what is happening here? We are getting 2 lines. I am clicking and it is adjusting, clicking. I am just specifying number of points. Similar with respect to those points, it is creating a multi-line, like 2 lines. 2 parallel lines are created. If you select on it, you can clearly observe the points whichever I have specified. I'm just deleting it. ML, enter. And the sub options like justification, scale, style. First option is the justification. I'm just clicking on justification. Again, it is asking for a type top, 0, bottom. If you in the brackets itself you can see a top. After selecting that, I'm just specifying 2 points, escape. Again, I'm taking the same line, and the justification I want to show 0, 2 points. Escape. Again, I'm taking the same justification, bottom. After construction these 3 lines, if you select all, you can clearly observe with this snapping points, right? If I select on the top line, you will get the 2 points. 0 means the center. Bottom, you can clearly observe that the bottom line. That is the justification property. You can select which one as you like, and the scale is the property, the distance between these 2 lines. I just check with one line like ML scale, enter multi-line scale. I am just specifying 10 units. First point, second point. ML, enter scale. I will select 20. First point, second point. Clearly observe there is a difference, but I have specified 10 scale. I am just selecting aligned command. Start point, end point. This is 10 unit. Start point, end point, 20 units. Clearly observe that whatever the scale we are specifying, that is the distance between topmost and bottommost extreme lines. In multi-line command, scale, we can select the distance between 2 lines. Applications also like walls, or like a pipeline streamings, whatever it may be, and roadway mappings and all. You can use this multi-line command however you want. And come to style, it is showing like a question mark. Why? Because we didn't create any style. For that, first of all, we need to create multi-line style to it. To create multi-line style, you need to remember the shortcut MLST, multi-line style. After creating this one, you will get like multi-line style, and it's showing like a standard style, and here showing the preview, new, modify. Some options are there. First of all, you need to create a new style. For that, I am clicking new, and after clicking on this one, it is asking for a name to the style. Like I am creating like whatever the name you can specify at least 1 character, and after that click on continue. After clicking that, you will get one more dialog box open, and here you can describe what is this multi-line used for, and at this box you can clearly see caps, and at this box it is like a fill color and a display joints, and at this entire box it is showing like elements. Here it is showing like offset color line tab. Here also the same, here displaying, and you can change the values over here. And clearly you can see elements are 2 elements present in this box, which means there are 2 lines only. You can add somewhere with using this offset distance, and with respect to that, one more object is added over here. So how many parallel lines we can create in multi-line is, we can create up to 16 parallel lines with using the offset distance. See, I am just created a 1 line at the 0 offset, which means at the 0 position. If we click on add, again one more line is created the same 0, but I want to change it. After selecting this, change this like 0.25. I just unexpectedly I just clicked the enter. You need to, if you want to change it, you need to click on modify. See the 0 position 0.25 and 5. If you want to create at this position, click on add. After selecting that line, specify offset like a minus 0.25. Don't click enter, click somewhere over here, automatically it will update. Now you can clearly see that these two lines are minus negative position and 0 at the center line, and positive value is above the line. So this is the manner you can create number of elements. After that, if you want to specify color, select the top line. It is showing by layer. I just want to apply it a red color. Here you can see the red color, and at the bottom extreme line I just want to apply green color. Here you can see this. And even though you can change the line type also, I just want to specify at the 0 line, I just want to apply one more line type, like click on load dash. Okay, I just select this and click it. Line type is applied, but display is not showing, but you will get it while drawing. This is how we can create a number of parallel lines. Okay, if you click OK, automatically properties will be added, and click on OK. If I'm using multi-line, you will get what happened. Why? Because after creating the style, you need to select a style either here or the dialog box. Enter the multi-line style name. Or I have sent 1. Click enter. After that, you will get the multi-line with these properties. A dotted line at these, at the top I have created red and green colors. This is how you can create multi-line styles. If you want to edit MLST, again enter, select it and try to modify it. Again, what happened? These lines are in use, so modify it. So click on cancel, select these two, delete. Again MLST, enter. Now you are getting somewhere. Select the line and click on modify, and you can modify with. I'm going to show you the caps. What happens to the caps, start and end. If you click on this checkbox, you can observe here 2 lines are created. If you click the end, this one, outer arcs, arc profile, inner arcs, inside of the lines. Make a note here, if you want to get this inner arcs works, you need to create at least 4 lines. And if you click on angle like 45, see, you are getting some angle here, minus 45. What happened? You don't need to specify minus property over here. All you can specify over at the offset position only. You need to specify like 135. Let's see. Now after clicking OK, if you create a multi-line, you will get the end arcs and all. Similar to line command, you will get the close option. If you click on close, see what happens. There are the caps. Starting to ending it is closed, so no caps. MLST, enter. Again modify. If you choose fill color, some color, whatever color you choose, it is not displaying over here, but if you click OK and OK, ML, enter. While drawing, you won't see anything. After clicking enter, you will see the fill color, similar to the text property. MLST, enter. Modify. If you select a display joint tick mark, click OK, and if you click OK, ML, enter. If you click same joints, but it is displaying with the separate lines. That is the only difference of a multi-line joints. So, small conclusion, with these caps you can create these end caps of the multi-line and the angle as well. Fill color to fill the entire color, display joints to show these end joints, and with this offset color line type, you can create a number of elements, and you can change the properties over here, and you can add any kind of description about this line type. You can add here. If you click OK, it will be added over here. you can save it also, and you can save like somewhere in your computer, and you can use the same multiline in the any other drawing sheets also. I can use this in drawing sheet 1. If I click on plus, if I use multiline style, you can see that whatever the line type I have created. If you want to use that, just multiline style, try to save it on the desktop. I am saving like 1, save, and after saving this one, if you open the drawing sheet 2 MLST, try to load it. File I have selected at the desktop 1, open, select this. Okay, now you can see the same style, MLST, enter. Try to use set current. Okay, ML, enter. Either you can use at the multiline style property, you can assign the name, or in the multiline style itself use the set current property. This is how you can use multiline in another sheets also. And the next option I want to show in the especially in multiline, that is multiline editor. Shortcut is MLED. These are all multiline edit tools like closed cross, open cross, merged cross, cross T. You can clearly see the icon itself. So to explain this, I am just creating multiline. A multiline with self intersecting over here, and ML enter one line like this, ML enter one line like this. This is one line, second line, but self intersecting same line. I am using multiline edit. Closed cross. What I need to do, I need to select the horizontal one and a vertical one. See the difference. The first one is trimmed with respect to the second one. Actually this is the same line, but it is applying here. MLED, open cross, first line, second line. See the difference between cross. We don't get this line, we will get this line at the cross. That is the difference between closed and open. Closed, we will get the closed line. Open, we will get the open line. If I want to use multiline edit merged cross, select two lines, internal lines are merged together. Next step, T, multiline edit, closed T. Easy to remember, first line, second line. With respect to second line, first line is deleted. Again, MLED, enter, open T, first line, second line. First line is trimmed with respect to second line, but you will get these properties like this for open. And clearly, without explanation, you can guess what is merged T, first line, second line. Internal lines matched. And multiline edit, in the properties, if you see this corner joint, these are separate three group, that is entirely separate one, corner joint. If you select this, I am selecting lower one, right side one. What happened? The selected lines are left and opposite lines are deleted. There is a corner, just to create a corners. And add vertex is the separate property. If you use add vertex and select anywhere in the multiline, what happened? A joint is created. Click, click, click. See, a joint is created. What happens? Do we have any use of it? Yes, we have. We can change the shape of the multiline with respect to the joints. See, you can change any type of shape if you add any point. MLED, enter. Delete vertex, you can get the same. If you click here, vertex is deleted, vertex deleted, vertex deleted. If you want to click here, what happens? There are no more external vertices, only two endpoints are left with. That is why it won't get deleted. Next one, cut single. See, this is a single line. I just clicked here. What happened? This line is deleted. Here, this line deleted. Somewhere like this. Means among all lines, whatever the chosen line is, like an internal part will be deleted. MLED, cut all. You can guess first point, last point. All lines are deleted. MLED, weld all. See, I'm just clicking at the last of this cut position and the last of this cut position. What happened? Entire object will be again added. Here you need to observe one point here. Either use cut all or cut single, whatever the point you choose. Here it's not like object is separated. You select the object. If you try to move this end point like this, see, it's not weld all, it's like a cut properties neglected. That is the thing happens in multi-line edits. So in the multi-line you need to remember, like, shortcut will be ML, and if you want to modify or if you want to create new style, MLST, and if you want to edit the multi-line, MLED. This is all about multi-lines. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment below if you want to update anything. We will meet again with next video.